Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Credly integrations from Coursera to LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Coursera website. Log into your Coursera account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your name or profile picture. In your profile, locate the settings option and click on it. Scroll down to find the Professional Certificates section. In this section, look for the Manage Credly option. Click on Manage Credly to connect your account. Follow the prompts to set up your Credly account if you haven't done so already. Once connected, navigate to the Credly website in a new tab. Log into your Credly account using the same email you used for Coursera. Once logged in, look for the Integrations section in your Credly dashboard. Select the option for LinkedIn integration. Click on Connect to link your Credly account with LinkedIn. Grant any necessary permissions that Credly requests from your LinkedIn account. After connecting, return to your Credly dashboard. Here, you can manage your badges and share them directly to LinkedIn. Now, go back to Coursera to check if your completed courses are automatically sent to Credly. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your course achievements in your Credly account. Finally, share your achievements on LinkedIn to showcase your new skills. You're now ready to seamlessly activate Credly integrations from Coursera to LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.